Today's presentation, Mobile App Icon Design Simplified, introduces you to a simple way to create mobile app icons using PowerPoint. In pre-AP computer science, you have all been introduced to Android app programming with App Inventor. We need to next learn how to easily identify our apps when we test them on our tablets and phones. To identify your app on the tablet, each of you will need to create an app icon for your app. This app icon will then be resized and uploaded into App Inventor. When the app is loaded onto a device and the icon is tapped, it will launch your app for further testing and use. I prepared a short video to show you the process I use to create app icons with PowerPoint. In the video, I will demonstrate how to access our icon graphics library containing a set of icon backgrounds and a set of image icons. To place images into PowerPoint, I'll drag and drop one of each image type from File Manager into our PowerPoint slide. First, the background image, and then an icon image is next. The background image is already the correct size, but the image icon will need to be resized to fit in the icon background. We'll learn how to do just that in the video. And finally, I'll combine them into a merged image. You simply click and drag so that a box surrounds both objects. Next, you press Ctrl G at the same time on the keyboard, and the two images are grouped into one image. You simply click to select the icon and then right-click on the icon and select Save as Picture, as you'll see in the video. You save the icon as icon1.png or something like that related to your app in your App Inventor folder, and your app icon creation is complete. Next, you'll watch the video demonstration of how to make an app icon using PowerPoint. After the video, you'll practice creating app icons for the last 3 projects you completed in App Inventor. You may reference the written instructions if needed, and when done, show your 3 app icons to the teacher for a grade. In this first video, I will show you a simple way to create a mobile app icon using PowerPoint. On the left, you see that I have File Manager open to our file area for this class. On the right, I've opened a new PowerPoint slide. I'm going to click on Layout and then select Blank to clean up the slide and prepare it for the icon. Now we're ready to make an icon. Next, in File Manager, you need to select the project folder named App Icons, like I have. In addition to the graphic folders we need, backgrounds and images, I've placed a Word document that explains this complete lesson for your later use if needed. Here's what that document looks like. It shows us how to use our backgrounds and our images folders and how to create our icons step by step. Use that for future reference. All right, let's move on. The first image we will add will be an icon background. This should in some way match the overall theme of your app. So go to File Manager and select the Backgrounds folder, and you'll see dozens of sample icons to select from. And I'm going to scroll up and down just a little bit so you get a feel for what's out here. Great, I think you get the idea. A neat feature in Windows is that you can drag and drop an image from File Manager directly into PowerPoint. I'm going to pick this one and drag and drop it. There, now it's in PowerPoint. Next, I'll select the Images folder with quite a few great images. Let's take a quick look at some of these. And again, think about the app you're creating, and I'm going to pretend my app is about cars. So I'm going to grab this car, and I'm going to drag it right into PowerPoint. But it's the wrong size. It's too small. So I'm going to press down my Shift key, and I'm going to grab the corner handle, and I'm going to drag straight up, and it makes my image bigger. Then I'm going to grab my image, and I'm going to move it back down so that it's properly centered in the middle of the background. I'm going to click outside of the images, And then I'm going to click and drag to select all of the images. Now what I need to do is press Ctrl G to turn them into a group or a single image, is what happens when you group images together. And I need to save this icon now. So I click to select the icon, then I right click on the icon and choose Save as Picture. And we save this as maybe Auto 1 or something like that related to our app. Whatever you need to name it in your App Inventor folder. That's it. Your app icon is done. You can add more slides and create more icons as needed. That concludes this video showing you how to create an app icon in PowerPoint. In video 2, we will do some editing and resizing of the image, and then in video 3, we will learn how to add the icon file into our App Inventor projects. For today, it's time to practice what was demonstrated in the video. Create 3 more icons related to your App Inventor projects, and then show them to your teacher for today's grade.